this thing again. Last time we had issues with the compression with its hop-up system. Now we got what sounds like stripped gears. Oh goody! Hooray! My favorite. Okay, let's do this. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna work on getting that gearbox out. Gotta punch out all the pins. Just like that one, yeah. Fold this stock right by me. Just like that. Pull this guy out. Now, start pulling these parts out. All the good stuff. Oh yeah. Boom. Now we go throw this away. Set it off to the side. I do not like working on this thing because of how much headaches this thing has caused both myself and my buddy or my teammate has had with this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and take this bottom plate off. I like to keep things together so I don't get screws all mixed up. Make sure you push that through. Alright. Just checking, see if everything's still intact. Go ahead and pull that off. Pinion gear looks in good shape. I modified this spring guide to make it a lot easier to get the spring out. Boom. Spring looks good. A little warped, but nothing too major. There's a spring guide. Still nice and spinny. Not broken, so that's in good shape. Alright, so far so good. Now we'll separate the gearbox. I like to get this piece out of the way so I don't have parts all over the place. Yeah. I'm going to take this guy off. I think the piston's fine, I think one of these gears just took a shit. I'm eager to find out which gear it is. Definitely a gear problem. Take my screws out here. There we go. I put them in the order in which I take it off. Alright, now we can separate the gearbox carefully and easily. Nice and easy. Easy. Don't want to lose the place where these shims go. So I do not want to reshim this gearbox. Less work, if you know what I mean. Alright. Get this assembly out of the way. Just set that off to the side. I'm not going to pull that out because I absolutely hate these triggers. I hate them so much. This two-piece design is stupid. They're just so much fun to deal with. Alright, first gear. So, it looks like the gear, the bevel's looking pretty good. Don't see any broken teeth. So my suspicion was correct. The inner gear right here is just free spinning. There's the problem. That's why this damn thing doesn't shoot. I'm going to take a look at the variety of gears that I got and see what I can replace it with. And I have to reshim this gearbox.
Yay, hooray, can't wait.
Alright. It's time to shim this sucker. And done. And here it is. Alright, let's test it. It's all shimmed up. Good to go. Time to test. Moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. We got a working airsoft gun. Let's put it back together. Now time to do my magic trick. My ninja move. Hey-yo. Got it together. Now, the final test. It shoots! We did it! Just one thing I want to note, that I do not like two-piece gears. This is a two-piece. These two gears are separate pieces, and this is the second time that I've had a two-piece gear fail. First one was my buddy's MP5, and now his G36. I don't think I trust two-piece gears anymore, so just food for thought. Anyway, that about sums everything up. Fixed the airsoft gun. It was the spur gear that caused it to fail. Other than that, everything looked great. Reshimmed it. Shoots great. Sounds great. Yada yada yada. Whoop-de-doo-dah. Just want to say thanks for watching. Smash the shit out of that like button if you liked the video. Subscribe because you know you want to. You guys have any comments or things that you want me to cover? Leave it down in the description down below. Down below. Do it because you know you want to. And I'll see you next time. Bye.